Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how you can make up to $3 per minute just by typing. So if you know how to read and write, you can make money online in 2023 with this method. Okay, so first thing you need to do, you need to come on a website called typetesting.com. I believe many of you know for this website. So what you need to do, you actually need to test your typing skills. As you can see here, check your typing skills in a minute. Here you need to choose how much time you need to test this, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, up to 10 minutes. I suggest to choose 1 minute. Here you can choose difficulty, easy, medium, hard. I suggest to use medium difficulty. And then what you need to do, you need to simply click here on start test. And you will be able to test your typing skills. Now this is important for this method. Here you can see you have 1 minute to test your skills. Test will start as soon as you start typing your first letter. So let me just start typing. Okay, as you see, I finished the test. Now what I would suggest is to actually focus on accuracy rather on speed. It is more important that you type more accurate than to type fast, okay? That is really important. And here you can see when I click here on show result, it will actually show me my results. So let me just actually close this ad. Unfortunately, I have to wait a few seconds. And here you can see 91% accuracy. Try to get more than 95% accuracy. Here you can see I actually got 24 VPM, average is 36, so I didn't actually perform that well, but that is because I was actually making this for the video. Like I said, try to make this at least 36 and this to be more than 95%, okay? That is really important. But if you are not satisfied how you actually did this test, what you can do is you can simply click here on typing courses, and here you can find some courses. Actually, here you can find 14 lessons, typing lessons that can help you to improve your typing skills. Like I said, typing is important for this method. Now, after you improve your typing skills, after your accuracy is more than 95%, what you need to do, you actually need to go on a website called rev.com, and here you can see fast, accurate transcription services. So basically you will need to transcribe audio and video. You will also need to translate captions and videos. So here you can see audio and video transcription, $1.50 per minute. English closed captions, $1.50 per minute, and global translation of subtitles from $5 to $12 per minute. Here you can see they have more than 750,000 clients. And here you can see they work with some really big companies, but this is actually their sales page for their clients. What we need to do, we need to scroll here and we need to click here on become a freelancer, because we actually wish to make money with this website. Here you can see create a flexible work schedule, which means you can work whenever it suits you. If you wish to work afternoon, you will work afternoon. Also, you can choose with who you will actually work. You don't have to work with everybody. You will only work with the people that you actually wish to work. Choose from hundreds of jobs. They actually have a lots of jobs available every day, so you can make money every day. Here you can see get paid weekly. That is what most important for most of you, and you will be paid via PayPal, which is actually a good news. And here you can see transcriptionist. So if you transcribe audio or video, you can make from 30 cents all the way to $1.10 per minute. Here you can see captioneer. You can make from 54 cents all the way to $1.10 per minute. And actually when you scroll here you can see start making money 3 easy steps. And here you can see know a foreign language. You can make from $1.50 up to $3 for actually creating subtitles for audios and videos. And when you click here on learn more, you can see on which languages and which countries this is actually available. Here you can see people on average earn $958 per month with this service. Here freelancers earn almost $1,000 per month. And here you can see they will actually give you a free software. So you don't need to go on Google and search for softwares. They will actually give you a free software that will help you to transcribe these videos and to translate these videos. Here you can see how this works, and here you can see in which countries they are actually translating these subtitles and how much money they are paying. For example, Korean language, they are paying $4 per minute. Japanese also $4 per minute. French, $3.30 per minute. So basically, if you do, for example, Japanese language for 10 minutes, you will earn $40 for just 10 minutes of work. Easy, right? And here you can see some more informations. Here you can see they work with some really big companies like Forbes, Huffington Post, Business Insider, and so on and so on. And when you go back here you can see more information. Here you can see some testimonials. For example, here you can see this woman here. Here you can see another testimonial. For example, this woman here, she earned $70 on her first month working on Rev.com. As you can see here, she earned $70 on her first week. That is how good this website is. And here you can see more information, and you need to click here on sign up to be a Rev freelancer. Unfortunately, Rev doesn't work in my country, so I cannot show you how to actually register on Rev.com. But if Rev works in your country, this is an easy way to make money online in 2023 just by typing. So if you know how to read and write, you can make money online. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.